Today I just want to show you guys how to shop in the Chinese supermarket because a lot of people ask for me how to shop in Chinese supermarket. I don't understand. And by the way, I don't eat meat. I eat vegetable and seafood sometimes. Okay, I show you what I shop. That section is my favorite section. I show you why. Look over there. That is seitan. That's my favorite too. That's my favorite too. Yeah, that's my favorite food too, and easily made. That's the part I like it. That's the chicken, but it's not really chicken. It's made for tofu. They said 素牛肉. That means it's beef, but it's not beef. It's a vegetable beef. The tofu has a little problem, has no taste, so that's why a lot of people don't like it. But I like it. You know why? You don't know how to pick. Pick that kind of the tofu tastes so good. 韭菜 and chives. That's the most vegetable I use. One time I cook, remember? I cook egg dumpling with the chives. That's the chives. And also, I'd like to use green garlic.
Green onion.
Oh, sorry. Green onion. $2 for $1. That's so cheap and fresh. We're going to pick up some eggplant. That's a vegetable I use most. I take a 1 and 2, 3. Enough or 1 dish. And this vegetable, lotus, is most of the time I cook. Sweet and not very delicious. Okay. 我喜欢苹果，我太喜欢了，又好看又好吃。可是他不喜欢我，因为我一吃完我胃不舒服，酸不拉几。稻香村 That's the famous name in China. Traditional food, more than 300 years old. Made from the rose flower. Yeah, see look. So delicious. And also this. This is brand new. I'm eating those kind of food while I was young. This kind of food is my favorite. While I was young, I love it. That's the fuju. Okay, that's whole section. This is the fuju, but it's a different shape. And people ask me, oh, this kind of size all same, just different shape. Look, over there, right? And here. And that's the brand most I will use most of the time, and I like it. Hi, honey. I pick up something. It's so good. That's a Beijing yogurt. I grew up with this. It tastes different than American yogurt. I'm sorry, but I love it because not that sweet. In American yogurt had a little problem. The one way is very sweet, other way is very sour. But that one is the middle. It's not that sweet and not that sour and very delicious. That's the way I like it. I'm gonna pay the food I picked up today, and we're gonna see how much I spent for because I feel like a Chinese supermarket is much cheaper. Okay. Look how many food I bought it. It's a lot of this. See how much I paid for. I only paid $80 something. That's very cheap. No kind of food I can eat for more than a week.